Today I'm making Mexican red rice. You guys requested a recipe video using tomato sauce, so here you go. To start, I'm going to be using 1 cup of long grain rice, and I'm going to pre-rinse this or wash this in cold water. Once I'm done rinsing it well, I'm just going to drain any water, kind of give it a shake, and place it over a bowl until I'm ready to use it. This will allow it to sort of drain and dry. So here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and 25 to 30 peppercorns. I'm just going to crush and grind this, and I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of this mixture. You could just use already ground cumin and pepper. So I'm also going to be using some sliced onion. The amount is up to your preference. This is just a little bit of onion slices. Here I have 1 large clove of garlic that I chopped and minced. I will be using 2 cups of water, and 1 can of tomato sauce typically comes in 8 ounces. I'm only going to use about 5 ounces of it. Here I have 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder that I'll be using. You could also use 1 bouillon cube. And I'm ready to start making this rice. So I've preheated my pan over a medium-low heat. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to start toasting the rice over a medium-low heat. Nothing on high because you don't want it to burn. So once my rice gets really fragrant and golden color, I'm going to add the onion and saute that for about a minute or so. Next, I'm going to add my garlic. Combine and quickly saute because garlic does burn. Now for the ground cumin, black pepper, give that a mix. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chicken flavored bouillon powder. Combine that. And now I'm ready to add my tomato sauce. Again, the amount of tomato sauce that you use is to your preference and taste. I'm going with about 5 ounces. I'm going to add my 2 cups of water. So just sort of give it a quick mix, and you'll want to bring this up to a simmer. I'm going to actually put the lid to help it sort of come up to a boil. And once you see the water rapidly boiling, you're going to want to lower the heat to low and cook this over a low heat for about 15 to 18 minutes, and do not lift the lid. That's very important when cooking the rice. So after about 15 to 18 minutes, mine actually took 18 minutes over low heat. I turned off the heat, set it aside. I do not lift the lid. Let it set for 10 minutes, and then you'll lift the lid. You're gonna fluff and serve. And this is just one of many ways that I make Mexican red rice. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.